I'm James Neville-Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over connecting a domain to your affiliate link. And there's a few different reasons you might want to connect your domain in your affiliate area. So first off, it allows to brand yourself a little bit. So you can stick your own company name or your own name on the actual URL. And the second reason is it's easy to remember. So instead of remembering this long URL here, all you'd have to remember is www.yourdomain.com. And the last two reasons are the most important. A lot of advertising mediums don't actually allow you to share affiliate links. Facebook looks down on affiliate links, so sharing your own domain means that your ad's going to rank higher and show up more. And some advertising mediums don't allow affiliate links altogether, so you won't even be able to advertise on there without your own domain. And last but not least, if the same domain is shared millions of times over Facebook or another platform, they may block the domain believing that it's spam. Some platforms like ClickMagick do not allow you to use their domains on Facebook or any other social media at all because of this very reason. So as you can see, there's a lot of merit to why you should connect your domain on Builderall. So with all that said, let's actually get into connecting your domain. So if I click on Connect Domain, a window is going to pop up explaining how to connect your domain. So this is where you'll enter your own domain. Don't put the www. Don't put the https, just yourdomain.com. But first off, we need to change the name servers. So these are the two name servers that we need to change over in our registrar. There's plenty of different registrars you can use, like GoDaddy, NameSilo, Namecheap. There's a ton of them. For this example, I'm going to use NameSilo because that's the main one that I use. So I'm going to copy both of these name servers. And now I've just jumped over to NameSilo. So I'm going to choose the domain that I want to change. I'm going to select it and change name servers. And then I'm going to paste the name servers that I've got copied in here. And if there's any additional name servers, you can delete them. You just need name server 1 and name server 2. So ns3.l4dns.com and then ns4l4dns.com. And then when you've copied those over, making sure that there's no spaces either before or after, and it's exactly the same as this, then you can hit submit. And then once you've hit submit, you'll see this notice telling you that name servers can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. They're usually done within 30 minutes, but they can take up to 48 hours. It just depends. So now I'm going to jump back to the affiliate page. And now I'm back on the affiliate page. I'm just going to type my domain in and hit save. And now my domain is connected. You can see the domain here and in all of the other funnels as well. So instead of having to remember some really long, complicated affiliate code, you have to just remember your domain and a little subdomain before it. And once you've connected your domain, you need to activate the SSL for each individual subdomain. So you'll activate it for the main domain and then activate it for each of the subdomains as well. So to activate it, simply click activate and it will enable within the next 30 minutes. Once you've connected your domain, you can check how it's doing by clicking DNS propagation status. If you click this, it's going to show where it's propagated in the world. So as you can see, it's propagated all over in every single country. So it's going to show up in every single country that the domain has propagated and ready to go. If you've just connected this and not waited at least an hour, then most of these are probably going to be red crosses. So if we copy this and go to a new window, it loads up the Builderall web page. So much quicker and much easier to keep track of and share. So in this video, we went over connecting a domain to your affiliate area.